Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to solve the error 404 not found. The request URL was not found on the server. So I am getting this when I try to hit the fetch all path from my Flask application. So let's see how we can solve this issue. So in my case, the issue has been I haven't added the fetch all path to my fetch all function. So it's going to be, first you need to have your app Flask variable, something like this. Make sure that you are having this variable created. It's going to be at, you need to have the at thing. So if you leave the at, also you will be getting the same error. So it's going to be at app dot route. Within this you need to specify the path, put a slash fetch all, and after coming here you need to put a comma methods equal to, you need to specify your desired method. So in my case the method is going to be get. Okay, so you have to be careful with this path and stuff, everything. So if you like do any mistake over here, similarly to any other path, if it's fetch by id or even if it's like post, make sure that you're having this created perfectly. Okay, so now we are good. Save it, Control C, and rerun it. And so if I go to the same Postman and make sure that you are having here get operation, okay, the correct operation that you have specified to that path. So make sure that you are changing it, super important thing also. Now if you send it, now I'm not getting any errors. So the only solution is you must make sure that you are adding this line of code properly. So if you have missed something or you have given here a wrong path here, you will be getting an error. So you have to basically check this part as well as this part. And that's the video, guys. I hope you would have found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of thread operations in Node.js, Spring Boot, Flask with MySQL, MongoDB, PostgreSQL database, as well as with AI, APIs and tools. Check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.